How to sell your products on Shopify. Direct selling. Step-by-step quick demonstration. I'm going to show you right now behind the scenes, okay? For my newest product, HowExpert Guide to Stone Skipping. It's available on Amazon as an ebook, paperback, hardback, on Barnes & Noble, on Google Play Bookstore, on Kobo, on Apple, and all platforms. Let's set up on Shopify real quick behind the scenes, okay? Step by step. First thing I do, I set up the title, the description, I put the images, format, variants, I put format and then variants, because you can sell the same different formats in the same product URL page. You don't need multiple pages. You can say have one page per product in different formats as an ebook, paperback, hardback, by using this thing called variants. You got to create it though. You got to click on add, put the type of variants that's under custom, create custom option, you put format, and then you put paperback, ebook, hardback, audiobook. Right now I'm starting with the paperback, so I just put the paperback first. After that, I'll put right below this is where you put paperback, let's just say. Then you put the ebook, the hardback, the audiobook, and so forth, okay? But that's all I have right now. I already set it up, so I'm not going to create another one. Okay, so next thing I do is I hold on one second. Next thing I do, I work with an app, Shopify app called Book Vault. Okay, it works in conjunction with Shopify, the e-commerce store. This is for authors and publishers, for books, for the book business. So what I'm going to do, start from the top, click on add a title, click on print book. Okay, there's different options: perfect bound, case bound cloth, wire bound, notebooks, all kinds of stuff. I want to click on perfect bound. Okay, gloss or matte is your preference. I used to prefer glosses for nonfiction, but fiction is matte. But I researched it on AI, ChatGPT, and they said most people are now starting to prefer matte, so I'm going to choose matte. Millimeters or inches, I'm going to go with inches. Okay, 6x9 Royal, 70 GSM cream cover board. And instead of color pages, because a lot more, I'm going to choose mono pages. It's black and white. So 1 second, how many pages? 173. Okay, this is the most detailed, organized, updated, newest book on stone skipping, where you throw the rock on the water on the lake and it bounces. I'll teach you how to do that step by step. Again, I'm a publisher for all topics A to Z, HowExpert. Go check out all my books on all topics A to Z, HowExpert. Okay, 1 second. I'm going to put in the title here, 1 second. I'm going to put in all the details here, put in the product title. Okay, got it. Do you have your own ISBN? Yes, I do. I purchased it from myidentifiers.com, which is the official Bowker place. The company's called Bowker, but that's the official website. Okay, 1 second. Let me put that real quick. All the information here is in Amazon. So I'm going to come here, get all the details right here real quick. 1 second. Copy. Show you proof right here. I have over 2,000 ISBNs, as you can see right here. Okay, I have multiple books on multiple formats. Copy link text. Go back to Book Vaults. Enter my ISBN here. Okay, that's the benefit of having your own ISBN. I don't recommend you use Amazon's free ISBN, because if you do that, you cannot sell directly to the customer. If you have your own ISBN, you own your own assets, so you can sell your own products directly, whatever platform. You don't have to rely on other people. So get your own ISBN, everything. Now, it costs $25 per submission. 1 second. But if you're a part of a group called Alley, they have a discount code. And I'm not going to show you the discount code because you have to be a member of Alley. Okay? So I'm going to put that behind the scenes. 1 second. Fantastic. Setup fee is free now. Setup fee is free now instead of $24.95. Thank you, Alley. I appreciate y'all. And Book Vault. Next step, I click on Add Now. Next step, it says congratulations. Then I'm going to click on Upload Files Now. And there's two places to upload files. As you can see on the top is the book file. Interior, that's the basic book file. They take PDFs. On the bottom is the design cover, okay? They take a PDF as well. I'm going to do that right now. Stay 1 second, okay? This is the paperback cover. This is the front. This is the spine. This is the back. I had to shorten the description because It was a lot longer. It's longer on the platforms, but on the book it's 6x9, so it's limited, you know? Okay. So I'm uploading the design and the book. Okay. Now I'm going to go back to Shopify. Okay. And what I'm going to do is click on more actions, click on add to book vault. Okay. Sure. I'm in downtown right now. My office for today. Show you the behind the scenes. Okay, and now what you're gonna do, I'm gonna go down, click on setup fulfillment, click on the correct product, check mark US, click save. It's linking your product to book vault, Shopify. Okay, so let it process. Okay, now it's done. I'm gonna go back to the product page. Now what I'm gonna do is right now I'm gonna refresh. I'm gonna do this draft. When you do that, the shipping is already set up. You don't have to do the manual shipping, how much it costs, or whatever, depending on the way. The Book Vault app works with Shopify just like that. Okay. So now what I'm gonna do, one of the last steps. Status, draft to active. Save it. Let me refresh this page. And let me show you, man. Let me show you. It's my office for today, downtown LA. And go check out my product by LA as well. HowExpert Guide to Los Angeles. And Koreatown, LA. And San Gabriel Valley. And all topics from A to Z. And now what I'm going to do, more actions, click on view. Check out the product. The product is set up on Shopify. As you can see right here. Get this book and all my products from all topics A to Z, HowExpert. Thanks for watching. I gotta go. Talk to you soon. Take care. Bye.